Ah. Oh, she's scared. Okay.
Okay, find somebody else.
I'm not sure if Lucy wants to play or not, but they both bit the string off 3 times. I think she's done for the day.
Let's take out Ethel. Ethel likes to play usually. Hi, babies.
Yeah, sometimes she's just... Get it, Ethel. Oh, and Moore's plays. She's crazy. Want to see 2 Moore's plays?
Sure.
Want to play Moore's? If you're aggravated enough, she'd probably get it.
Let me get over here. Oh, princess keeps her title. Oh, there she got a little bit.
Get it, princess! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Oh, that little turd.
She's done. Maury! She's done. Hey, Pepper's over here. Hey,
She's
Pepperoni.
I think he's scared of it.
He's busy. Looking for birds.
He's busy.
Hi.